Big thanks to Kamado Joe for sponsoring this episode.
This is a cow's tongue, and this is Jim. I know that this is a cow tongue, and now you know that this is a cow tongue, but Jim doesn't know. I'm going to turn this cow tongue into this delicious sandwich, and then I'm going to feed it to Jim, my editor, to see if he can tell me what it is. This is a traditional Dutch delicacy from the past. They used to brine it, then cook it, remove the skin, and you would slice it and put it on your sandwich. Nowadays, people don't know what this is, or how to treat it, or even what it tastes like. Jim never had this before, and I came up with a special recipe just for him to make it extra tasty. No other preparation is required for my recipe. I'm going to keep it as simple as possible. I'm going to stick in a thermometer and fire up my Kamado Joe kettle Joe. I'm going to load it up with charcoal, put a couple of fire starters in, and light it up. Once lit, I'm going to add 2 chunks of smoke wood and place back the slow roller. I'm going to let that tongue smoke at a temperature of 140 degrees Celsius for at least 2.5 hours. Once my thermometer said the core temperature is 92 degrees Celsius in that tongue, it's time to take it off. Woohoo! Doesn't that look weird? I think we should also eat it. You and me. Yeah. We can't just feed it to this guy and then just not eat it ourselves. This might be just one of the things that personally I find that looks really, really weird. Look at how yellow it is at the end here. Black right here and then brown right there. I'm gonna give it 10 minutes to cool down a little bit. We're outside and it's quite cold, so that's gonna take around 10 minutes and then we're gonna take the jacket off. Once the tongue is cooled down, I'm going to cut into the outside skin and open up the tongue. And the outside of the tongue, obviously you can't eat. It's super, super tough. But on the inside, you can see the meat is already falling apart. That's how tender this is. So we gotta separate the two. Super tough, super unedible, this has gotta go. Now I'm going to take my meat carver and slide this into thin slices. And this smells exactly like smoked sausage. Look at the smoke ring that we produced on this tongue. It's starting to look less and less like a real tongue and more like a piece of meat. Now there's one person here that is already almost jumping me to get a piece of this. You know, it's not gonna go to waste. What I'm gonna do with it next is gonna really disguise it. Jim will never know what this is. I'm gonna make a mixture of all-purpose flour and my favorite PitmasterX classic barbecue rub. Of course, you need that recipe, it's on our website. Then I'm going to take a slice of the tongue and dunk it into the flour, making sure it gets a nice coat. I'm gonna tap off the excess flour and I'm gonna do a couple of these. I'm gonna heat up a pan and melt some beef tallow in it. Wow, this looks actually really, really tasty. Jim will never know this is a cow tongue. Morrison, het kost bijna niet inhouden om al te eten.
Ik zei eigenlijk net, ik hoop dat het geen kat is. I'm kind of terrified. You've been smiling all the time. Alright, can I unveil this? Oh no, okay. That kind of looks good. What is in it? It smells nice, I must say. It looks too good to be true, actually. But the meat is different. It looks good. First impression is good. All right, there we go. Okay, that tastes quite good. I'm not sure what it is. It's a bit chewy. Definitely not a hamburger. I think it's good. It has like different type structures. It's not pork. It's more defined as beef. It is really good. It's really tasty. Wild guess?
Wild guess.
Lion?
What?
I don't know.
It's cow tongue.
Oh, okay.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I really like it. Yeah.
It's the cow tongue burger.
Nice.